Welcome back to Astrocurious. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Pluto, the dwarf planet that has captured our imaginations and sparked debates. Let's uncover some incredible facts about this icy world at the edge of our solar system. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, and for over 75 years, it was considered the ninth planet in our solar system. But in 2006, the International Astronomical Union reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Why the change? It all comes down to the definition of what constitutes a planet. Pluto shares its orbital zone with other objects of similar size in the Kuiper Belt, which led to its reclassification. Pluto is unique in many ways. It's smaller than Earth's moon, with a diameter of just about 2,377 kilometers. Despite its size, Pluto has 5 known moons of its own. The largest moon, Charon, is so big relative to Pluto that they are often referred to as a double dwarf planet system. Charon's diameter is about half that of Pluto, and the two bodies orbit a common center of gravity outside of Pluto itself. One of the most astonishing discoveries about Pluto came from NASA's New Horizons mission, which flew by Pluto in 2015. The spacecraft sent back detailed images and data, revealing a surprisingly complex and diverse world. We saw vast plains of nitrogen ice, towering mountains made of water ice, and hints of possible cryovolcanoes, which might erupt with icy slurries instead of molten rock. Pluto's surface is also coated with a reddish-brown substance called tholins. These are complex organic molecules that form when solar ultraviolet light interacts with methane in Pluto's atmosphere and on its surface. This gives Pluto its distinct coloration, making it stand out even more in the Kuiper Belt. Speaking of the atmosphere, Pluto has a thin and tenuous one composed mainly of nitrogen, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. During its orbit, which takes about 248 Earth years, Pluto gets closer to the Sun for a period of time, causing its atmosphere to expand and form a thin haze around the planet. As it moves farther away, the atmosphere freezes and falls back to the surface. Finally, let's not forget the human connection to Pluto. When New Horizons made its historic flyby, it carried a small container with some of the ashes of Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto's discoverer. This touching tribute connected the early days of astronomical discovery with our modern era of space exploration. Pluto continues to fascinate and surprise us, challenging our understanding of the solar system and what lies beyond. As we learn more about this distant world, we're reminded of how much there is yet to discover. Thanks for joining us on this journey to Pluto. Stay curious and follow for more space facts.